How to create a sound from gallery on Snapchat. The first thing you will need to do is open Snapchat, and from here you are going to tap on the two cards in the bottom left hand corner right beside the circle, and you can select any photo or any video from your camera roll. So I will select this one right here. Once you have done that, you are going to tap on the pencil icon in the bottom left hand corner. Then you are going to tap on the music icon in the right hand drop down menu, and you want to scroll across and tap on my sounds. Then you'll tap on create sounds, then tap on upload from gallery, and here you are going to choose the video that has the audio that you would like to get. So for example, this one right here. Then you can simply drag the timer across if you would like, and you're going to add the sound by tapping on sound name. So you can add a name right there. Then you'll tap on save sound, and that's it. So now you'll have your sound on Snapchat. So whenever you're creating a snap, you can simply scroll across and select my sound to access it.